I'm Stephanie. I'm a research fellow with Fire Lab at Swansea University. I work with researchers, practitioners, and communities with a shared interest in rivers, like this one, River Tawe, that flows through Swansea. Do you know that rivers occupy less than 1% of the Earth's surface? Rivers provide us with food, drinking water, and even supply energy to help light our homes. Rivers around the world are very important, and we need to look after them. Our research team is interested in better understanding and sharing about how humans alter rivers, such as with weirs like this one, that can limit fish movement up and downstream. We need to work to find ways to ease the negative impacts of these on both nature and people. Our team's also interested in better understanding how people relate to and connect with rivers, such as through different sounds, sights, and activities. Actually, my friend Jack had a great adventure along this very river just recently. Would you like to meet Jack and hear more about her adventure? Well, let's get going then. Jack's waiting for us.
Jack's River Adventure. This story is dedicated to the kids. Meet Jack. She's ready for an adventure. What could it be? Let's find out by following Jack's favourite track, starting from near her home in Swansea. Jack sets out from Swansea to Craigenose, where the river flows below the castle. Shaking her fur dry as the wind blows, she heads up hills, making grasses rustle. Jack splashes in River Tawe's headwaters that rise in Brecon National Park. At the source, she looks down past boulders to rolling green hills, cleared and stark. Jack paddles through runs and riffles that converge with waters at Abercrave. She looks to Cribbarth, with its caves and holes a sleeping giant. Did it move? Jack's brave. Jack follows the riverside path to Clydach, where Swansea Canal plunges to the Tawe with vigour. Around a few bends, Jack is nearly back when she spots a minnow school and dipper. Leaving her new friends behind, Jack moves on downstream. Nearly home, she smells the sea. She jumps in, a final swim. The river is gone to salty waters, and Jack's back home in Swansea.
Enjoy Jack's River Adventure. If you'd like to continue the adventure and to help us learn and share about rivers near you, there's 3 ways you can do this. First, you can invite Jack to visit your school via the computer. We'll read Jack's story together and have a fun activity in your classroom. Teachers and parents can contact us by email at team@firelabkids.uk to organize this. Second, why not lead your own river adventure along a river near you with your family? While you're on your adventure, make sure to stop and observe things around you. What can you see? What can you hear? What else do you notice around you? And when you return from your adventure, why not share about it with a friend? Third, while you're on your adventure, why not take an extra bag with you and collect any rubbish that you encounter along the way? Then dispose of the rubbish a proper way by putting it in a bin nearby or back at home. Well, I hope you enjoy your river adventure, and may the fish be with you. Enjoy your journey.